previously recorded on my lower body workout.
What is going on? What is going on?
I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause I'd start over now. Rewind.
What's up, you guys? So today I'm on my way to the gym. Today I'm going to work on my upper body. Guys, I am not a trainer. I'm just sharing with you, my workout technique. Half of the time I don't know what I'm doing, you guys, but you know what? I figure if you just keep on practicing, you'll become better at it. So that is what I'm doing. This is my beginning, and you got to start somewhere. I really wanted to get in shape. And I know y'all probably saying, so why won't you just get a personal trainer so they could show you stuff? I don't want to invest in a personal trainer right now, and the reason why, because I need to be consistent in the gym, and I don't want to waste my money. I really need to be fully committed. So once I'm fully committed, I may get a personal trainer and I may not. I tried to get a personal trainer, but they wanted me to sign a 1-year contract and then pay half the deposit up front. And I'm like, wait a second. Hold up. So what happens if I decide to quit or I can't make it anymore? I mean, do I get my money back? They were like, no. I don't want to go that route, you guys. I'm just going to take my time and do baby steps. And eventually I will get there. Practice become better. And I feel like each time I go to the gym, I am improving. You know what I mean? My tummy's a little bit big, so I wanted to, get rid of my tummy and tone my legs and my arms and my face, to tone it up just a little bit. And that's it. It is going to take a lot of work, but I'm in it to win it. Yes. So, yeah, I'm excited. And sometimes when you do stuff on your own, and you achieve your goal, you feel so good inside to that you accomplished that. So yeah, my beginner out there, please join me, going to the gym. If you're trying to tone and lose your tummy as well, and if you don't know what you're doing in the gym, you can, watch me. You really wanted to check out Brittany Babe or any other workout trainer out there, because they are amazing. They are really, really amazing. I don't want to sign up and be committed to anything because I know me, you guys. Sometimes things happen in life, you know what I mean, and you just can't control it. And I will hate to waste all that money, go down the drain. I don't like wasting stuff. That's just me, especially when you work hard for it. And so if I could do without it, I'd rather do without it. That's just me. So yeah. Alright guys, I will see you at the gym.
I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
It is a beautiful day in Atlanta, Georgia. Yes. So beautiful. It's very sunny. It's very warm. Yes. I'm excited. I'm on my way now to enter into the gym. Look at me looking like I'm a fitness trainer. What? I got my waist trainer on. I got my workout clothes on. My workout bag. Look at me. Sometimes you guys just gotta play the part, honey. You gotta play the part. amazing. And I was struggling in the gym today. You hear me? Your girl was struggling in the gym today. Oh my God. Came to find out that my upper body strength is weak, okay? I got to work on my upper body more often because I could not do a simple push-up. Oh my God. I try to do push-up, but I couldn't do it. So I did 5 though. I did 5, but yeah, I'm gonna work on my upper body strength because I am very weak up in that area. But other than that, it was a great workout. You know, I just gotta be consistent, you know? Look at my hair. I just gotta stay consistent in the gym and just, you know, stay focused. You know, just don't give up. And you know, hard work paid off. Yep, hard work paid off, my dear. You know, even though I don't know what I'm doing for the most part, you know, I feel good. It's like I feel good. Like I really, you know, I take my time in the gym because I know that I'm a beginner, and I try not to feel intimidated. It is hot in this car. Whew. It is a hot sunny day today in Atlanta, boy. You know, it's January and it's so hot already, but I like it though. I like it better than the cold. Yeah, I keep licking my lip because it's so dry. I need some water. Even though I don't know what I'm doing in the gym, you guys, you know, it still feels good. What I do is I take my time. You know, I take my time and I watch others as well, you know, others in the gym that is, you know, on point and they're doing so amazing in the gym. I be watching them. I sure do. Cause I'm trying to learn. But yeah, I just take my time and do what I gotta do. I don't really feel intimidated no more or discouraged. I just do what I gotta do. Remember guys, I am a beginner, so don't judge me in the comment box below. Your girl is trying her best to be, you know, to get on point. Yeah, I'm trying my best to get on point. So, you know, it's like I'm training myself, you know, ain't nothing wrong with that. So I am happy with what I'm doing and I feel good. The most important thing is to start. Once you start, then, you know, you will get there. I'm gonna get there one day. Just watch, you know, just watch what I eat and work out and be consistent, and eventually I will get there. Alright guys, I'm about to go. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Have a happy Sunday, you guys. Be blessed and I love you. Thank you for all your love and support. See you tomorrow in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.